Creating a purpose in a life is extremely important, and it's an equally ignored area. Most of us tend to flow with the tide and live a life as it comes. We feel happy if we achieve success, we feel sad and upset if we face a failure. Depending upon the situations, the circumstances we have gone through in our life, we try and label ourselves as lucky or unlucky. Friends, you can take control of your life only and only if you wish to do so. I know you might be facing a challenge as to how to figure out what you want to do in your life. Now, for some people, this may become very easy and clear, while for others, it just may not be working. Friends, welcome to my channel Deep the Light, and today I shall discuss few tips with you as to how to launch a purpose in your life, which will definitely increase the quality of your life. So let's begin. We start by asking few questions to ourselves. The first one is, what's your passion in life? What things you really love to do? Find out all those things that makes you happy. Please list down all the things which comes to your mind. And secondly, what brings happiness to you, especially when you are helping out others. When you do something for others, when you lend a helping hand, you feel inner joy. So list down these things as well. Third, how long you want to go with this passion. Is it just for fun purpose? If you want to achieve this for a longer term, fourth thing is to find out the skills that map with your passion, and also the skills which you would like to attain if you want to pursue this passion. And the fifth thing is, create a roadmap, create an action plan for yourself and try to follow it. I wish you best of luck with this critical and crucial exercise of your life. I am sure this will be a turning point in your life and will bring a lot of gratification for you. I'll be glad to support you in this venture of yours for setting up and achieving purpose in your life. Please feel free to write back to me with your comments, with your suggestions and any help needed. Thank you so much. Keep watching my videos. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.